In this scene, Katniss fires an arrow into a hanging bag of apples positioned over the mined area. When the apples fall, they land on the mines and trigger a massive explosion, destroying the entire supply cache. The blast is dramatic in the film and triggers tinnitus for Katniss, who is blown backwards by the force of the explosion. Tinnitus is the perception of sound, often ringing, buzzing, or hissing, without an external source. One of the most common triggers is sudden exposure to very loud noise, such as explosions. Explosions produce extremely high sound levels, sometimes over 150 to 180 decibels. The resulting pressure waves travel through the ear to the inner ear, where delicate cochlear hair cells convert sound into nerve signals. A powerful blast can damage these cells and disrupt normal auditory signaling. Because hair cells do not regenerate, the brain may produce abnormal activity that is perceived as tinnitus.